All right, here we go with the first and hopefully series of long GoPro videos. Let's see how this thing goes. I'm going to try and get it on my head and see if it, hello, let's see if it records Uncle Rick out there. This is a practice video. So we'll see. What he's doing right now is trying to clear an area over there on the other side of the garden shed for the greenhouses for next year. We just got, that's the last of a 500-pound round bale. We were covering up these potatoes. Got to go through and do that to them. But now he's taking the stuff that he's scooping up and trying to mix it up, start a compost pile with the round bales. Got a trailer load of free wood chips. Got to go out in the orchard. This is your first GoPro. What's that?
Why don't you drive the tractor with it?
Oh, I will. But you're the star they want to see. Watch me move the plastic. Tore this bale up earlier and moved the plastic. I put it here a couple months ago. And there's, for those of you that really care about soils and compost and manures, that's leftover horse shit. It's got mushrooms growing on it. It's got mycelium coming all through it. It's getting mixed with the old round bales, and now it's not a perfect mixture, but we're throwing stuff together and it'll rot all winter. I got a big sheet of heavy black rubber. It's not quite what we should be using, but seems to do the job. We got all that scraped and graded. I guess you're seeing what I'm seeing. Got some more land cleared. The boathouse, we'll see how that came out on YouTube, but it used to be out there where that sandy spot is. Now it's over there where that lawn tractor is. Put it on some logs, hooked it to the big orange tractor, and rolled it away after we framed it up a little bit. So anyhow, we're making progress, and I think we got a bunch more round bales here for compost and mulch. I think this will work. We just got to get it torn apart better. Get some starter dirt in there now and some greens. Bunch of wood chips I got to get out around the new orchards trees out there and pull their cages and cut all that grass out. I don't know how it got in there, but it did. It's even got landscape cloth under it, but got some nice fine wood chips. So we'll see how this video came out. All right, and then we'll make a better one later. Bye. Oh, and the squash are popping up.